Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to fix Baserow workload not working. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel, so open your Baserow and log into your account. To prevent the workload or Baserow general features not working, you need to have a stable internet connection. Make sure you have a fast internet connection and stable. So this is pretty crucial for Baserow to run smoothly on your account with no problems. And the second option is to open a new tab on Chrome, click on the three settings here, and head over to Settings and search for Cache, and here just find Delete. Click on the Delete Browsing Data, choose for all time, and select Browsing History. And download history and choose Cache and Cookies, and click on the data to start clearing the cache for your browser, including. So this will make sure that Baserow will start working on a fresh web instance to make sure Baserow.io that are your features. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.